the infinite and further on. The meteoric race of Antonio Albacete, the pilot of the Cepsa Truck Team, seems to have no end. After a quiet great start of season, the Spanish has turned the omelette. The Red Bull Ring of Austria has been the scenario where it has sparkled with own light, achieving a first and fourth position in the races of Saturday and a deserved double podium on Sunday with a second and third position. Besides, he is already provisional leader of the championship with an advantage of 11 points from the uncrowned Jochen Hahn. The first journey of the weekend started with a small problem that was about to frustrate the warm-up. The radiator of the truck had a leak, so the mechanics of the Cepsa Truck Team obligated to work against the clock for Albacete achieving the classification. The pole was a bone hard to nibble, as Norbert Kiss was in the aim to conforming with the second place in the exit grid. Finally, and after only a tryout, he made with it. He came out first and ended first, premiering a circuit and crown. The exit was perfect and didn't take long in taking away Lonely, maintaining the distance and keeping the tires for the next group. The fourth was for the second place and was performed by Jochen Hahn and Norbert Kiss. Although the Hungarian pilot knew how to defend himself around the attacks of the German, crossing in second place the checkered flag. In the second race, the Spanish pilot left mouth open to Owen and others, when a spectacular exit took him from the 8th to the 5th position, passing Jochen Hahn, his more direct rival. A magistral pass through the middle of the race made him win a new position that would maintain until the end of the race, crossing the finishing line. Sunday was also a fruitful day for Antonio Albacete and the Cepsa Truck Team. To the 27 points obtained in the previous day, added a not less important 23 points thanks to the second and third places obtained in the two proofs of the journey. The expectations of the first proof of the journey were not encouraging for the Spanish pilot that was surpassed in the Super Pole by Marcus Osterreich and Norbert Kiss. Nevertheless, an impeccable start allowed him passing the Hungarian pilot, maintaining the second position until the end of the race. He had to confront the continuous attacks, blows and pushes of a furious Norbert Kiss that ended destroying the protections of the truck of the Spanish and his own, apparently without any quest from the direction of the race, as there was no sanction because of this lame performance. Osterreich, teammate of Antonio Albacete, made a pretty good race from start to the end, achieving the highest point of the podium. The fourth race was more exciting if possible. An impressive takeout and impeccable first laps allowed him surpassing Hahn and finally entered in third position, as his various trials to pound Norbert Kiss were not successful. The Czech David Bresky was the winner of the last proof, celebrated in the Red Bull Ring. 4 races, 3 podiums, and always ahead Jochen Hahn. It has been a really good result for Antonio Albacete and for the Cepsa Truck Team that has had a weekend full of podiums.